In this problem, we want to divide using long division. Oops, I didn't clear the tablet. Okay. So we got x minus 1. And then we got x squared plus 5x to the third plus 8x minus 2. Well, both of these have to be in standard form, so I need to rewrite this first. The x minus 1 is fine. Standard form means from largest power down to smallest. So we'll put our x to the third first, and then we'll put our x squared next, and then we'll put our x after that, and then our no x, constant term, at the end. So again, it goes from x to the third, x squared, x, no x. Well, now we start through our division. We look at the first term of each, decide what to put up on top. You ask yourself what times x gives you 5x to the third, and that's 5x squared. Whatever you put up on top, you multiply by what's out in front. So I'll take 5x squared times x minus 1. 5x squared times x is 5x to the third. 5x squared times negative 1 is negative 5x squared. So we got 5x to the third minus 5x squared. Now we're going to subtract that line, which means flip signs. So this becomes negative, and this one becomes positive. 5x to the third minus 5x third goes away. X squared plus 5x squared is 6x squared. And then I'll bring down the 8x and the minus 2. Again, we look at the first term of each, decide what to put up on top. You ask yourself what times x gives you 6x squared, and that's 6x. Whatever we put up on top, we multiply by what's out in front. So I'll take 6x times x minus 1. 6x times x is 6x squared. 6x times negative 1 is negative 6x. So we got 6x squared minus 6x. Now we're going to subtract that line, which means flip signs. So this becomes negative, and this becomes positive. 6x squared minus 6x squared drops away. 8x plus 6x is 14x. And then I'll bring down the minus 2. Again, we look at the first term of each, decide what to put up on top. You ask yourself what times x gives you 14x, and that's 14. Whatever we put up on top, we multiply by what's out in front. So we'll take 14 times x minus 1. That gives us 14x. 14 times negative 1 is negative 14. So we've got 14x minus 14. We're going to subtract that line, which means flip signs. So this becomes negative, and this becomes positive. 14x minus 14x drops away. Negative 2 plus 14 gives us 12. Now the degree of this is 0, and the degree of what we're dividing by, the x minus 1, is 1. When the degree of this is less than what we're dividing by, this is our remainder. So our answer is going to be 5x squared plus 6x plus 14 plus our remainder over what we're dividing by. So 12 over x minus 1. And that's our answer.